Let me ask you a question. How can we demand for change with one hand and then destroy it with another? Young people are bleeding from wounds that we have inflicted on ourselves. I haven't seen an old man storming the streets with sticks and stones. It's us, the youth, being bought with cheap liquor, lured with loose change, being weaponized to tear our own down. Look closer, it's not the old cops pulling the trigger. It is our age mates in uniform, fueled by orders and ego, turning peaceful demonstrations into a war zone. Just check even in social media. We tear each other down instead of building unity. We trade insults instead of forming a movement. We are feeding the system with our division. We are screaming for a better Kenya, but how can we rebuild if the enemy is sitting comfortably within our own reflection? If we don't fight for each other, we will forever fight against ourselves, and Kenya will bleed in vain.